Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to create public channel on Telegram. It's simple. First of all, you just open up the Telegram app. Here you can simply see the pencil option in front of you. You can press on that. Go and create the new channel. And you can simply write the name of your channel and description. Whatever you want. Simply press on that option. You can simply give the name and you can simply read down these instruction to create the link. Like if you set a permanent link, other people will be able to find and join your link. You can use small letters or a number from 0 to 9 and underscores. It depends on you. All right, so simply I just giving the name 5. All right, press on that button and simply add the person you want to add. Like I want to add that person, then press on that button. Now you are able to create the public channel on Telegram. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.